there, Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up a Tex Mex casserole in the Dutch oven on the Weber kettle with a slow and sear. We're getting the internals, the chicken, the peppers, the onions cooked up now. So you want to cook those up for about 20-25 minutes in your Weber open at about 350. Just put those on, and we're having a freaking windstorm. It is loud, it is windy, it is cold out, but it's not so bad in here. It's 43, but I've been working, so I'm decent. Anyway, maybe it's the barley pops to keep you warm. It's only a third one. Anyway, we're gonna put this together with a bunch of flour tortillas, put it in a Dutch. We're gonna cook that up, and then we're gonna flip it. The scary part, flipping these things. So we'll see how it comes out. Should be rocking, right? And yeah, clean up a little bit, and we'll get ready for the next phase. And then head to the beer fridge in the man cave, bring out a couple more. So we've got about another 40 minutes, and yeah, we should have some really good grub. folks, we're coming up on the end. I just covered the Dutch oven with the opposite side, with the griddle, and we'll let that go for about another 10 minutes. We're gonna flip that, and then we got a great Tex Mex casserole coming up. Hell yeah. Get your hot sauce out, get your favorite sour cream, cheese, whatever, avocados, cilantro, lime juice. I was gonna make some sauce and everything. I'm just going way over. I worked today, and yeah, time's ticking. So I gotta get this done and in the house. The kids, it's Friday, so we're gonna have a twofer this week. 2 cooks this week. Oh hell yeah! And hey, wait for the holidays coming up. I got some other stuff coming. Yeah, more cooks, more good stuff. Anyway, about another 10 minutes. Everybody inside? 10 more minutes. So, yeah, this looks really good. We'll cut into this and we're gonna taste test it. And while we're waiting, cheers, folks. Get yourself a nice cold one. It is 52 degrees in here now, but that's why I'm in a t-shirt. It's less than 30 degrees outside. It's windy as hell. There's a storm coming. End of November, upstate New York. Boo-hoo. We'll deal with Just pulled it off. Check it out. It slid out of the Dutch. That's what I was excited for, because if it didn't, we would have had a cheesy mess. Oof. Got some heat coming over here. Joe Weber's cooking up some heat. It is now. It's still 52 in here. Hey, I don't care. I'm still in a t-shirt. I'm gonna cut this up, bring this inside. Oh hell yeah. Tex Mex casserole. Let's roll. That looks awesome. Smells delicious. Yeah, it's done. Look at that something. Whoo! She's still smoking, yeah. Been sitting out here for a little while. Put whatever you want on it. Queso sauce, aged cheddar, hot sauce. I'm gonna do hot sauce. Any sauce that you like, put it on it. Yeah. Heck yeah. It's delicious. Pretty easy dish. Took a little longer than I expected. Prep time took longer, but it is what it is. Look at that. Little Frank's Red Hot. Love it. Cheers, folks. I like how all those peppers kept a little crunch to them. Mushy peppers, I don't know. Those, nice and crunchy. And I would add a little cilantro and lime on the top. Yep, next time. This was new, something new. You saw the flip. I flipped it, came right out. It was awesome. Really good food. Tex Mex casserole. Try it out. Easy to do. And you could do it on your Weber. You could do it on a gasser. You could do it in the oven. You probably do it over a campfire. And as we're finishing this off, why not? There's a train coming. The trains, I'm telling you what. Do a weekday cook. It's so much easier. It's a weekend. Trains are flying by, boy. They gotta deliver. Black Friday's coming. Deliver that stuff that nobody needs. It is what it is. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next cook. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if it's your third time. I don't care. Subscribe, please. Need more subscribers. I like interacting with you guys. So anyway, barbecue fam, thank you all. A lot of you guys spread my channel, and I really, really appreciate it. And I enjoy watching your guys' channel too. So, hey, we all have a lot of fun barbecuing. I will catch you guys on the next cook. Cheers!